So it's about that time again that I do another update video. It's been about a month or so since I did my last one, and I really haven't done too many update videos on this channel. I've never really had a reason to do one, but since I'm starting to interact with more and more people, I thought this was sort of necessary to do one. So here it is, update number 3. Let's go. What's up everybody, I'm Original Dobo. Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. All right, so a couple of things I wanna go ahead and just update you all on. Monday, we're not gonna be streaming on this channel for Up in the Air Live. We've decided to just sort of cancel it for Monday and then move it to Tuesday. Obviously Tuesday I'm gonna be in Philadelphia with Billy, and it just makes more sense to just stream at that time. So the show is gonna be on Tuesday. Both Billy and I will be in the same building, so it'll just be easier to stream then. Not only that, he has the most ridiculous internet speeds, and maybe I can convince him to stream in 4K. That would be pretty awesome. We're going to keep the time the same. We're gonna do it at 8:30 on Tuesday. I think that works best for everybody, and it just really does make much more sense to stream. We're also going to be streaming on his channel instead. So Up in the Air Live will be hosted on the 17th, 8:30 p.m. on Billy's channel. So make sure you check your sub box notifications so you don't miss the stream. It's gonna be epic. So since the DJI event got canceled, we're going to go ahead and do a meetup, and we're gonna host that meetup at a park. Billy actually posted the location on his channel if you want to check that out, or I'll put the location in the description below. So if you're in or near the Philadelphia area, by all means, come by, stop by. It's going to be 4 p.m. Eastern at said location. I'll have it linked below. Come by, chat with us, fly your drone, bring all your drones if you want to fly. The area should be okay to fly them. Billy did say he checked it out and everything checked out okay. So we'll be there till 5 p.m. So make sure you stop by and say hello. A little bit more in the channel news. I've been really thinking about this long and hard, and I have to come up with a upload schedule. I think it's best that I do it via schedule versus just posting things pretty sporadically. If you've been following my channel, you may have seen lately, the videos are pretty steady, you know, almost every day. They're all over the place with times. Like it could be like 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 8 in the afternoon, whenever. And it's just, I have to come up with a consistent schedule. So I also want to take a little bit more time off away from YouTube. I have a day job that I really do like and enjoy, and I need to put a little bit more energy and time into that job. I'm taking on new roles with my company, so it's going to take a little bit more time away from YouTube, just a little bit, but I'm not going to stop YouTube. I just need to sort of, you know, put more energy into my actual job. This is my hobby. So with that being said, I'm gonna go to a 2 upload per week schedule, and this is what I'm thinking works best for, at least for me, and also will keep my sanity, is do a Tuesday, Thursday upload, and the uploads will go live at 9 a.m. That means you'll be sitting at your desk, probably bored, and you'll get a notification that there's a new video available, and then you can go ahead and watch it. We're still gonna do our streams on Mondays. That is inevitable, but this will just free me up to have a little bit more time to put a little bit more quality into the videos. I really wanna focus on the quality and be able to deliver you the best possible video that I can every single upload. So quality is what I'm really striving for here. So new schedule, Tuesdays, Thursdays, 9 a.m. That's going to be the deal. And it's not going to be like every Tuesday and Thursday. I may miss one, or something may happen and I may need to do an extra upload, but this is sort of the tentative time frame that I want to go with. In regards to some comments that I've received recently about sort of my demeanor or attitude when responding to people, I am not an asshole. You know, contrary to popular belief or unpopular belief, depending on who you ask, I'm not, but I am a human. And if you comment like derogatory, chances are I'm probably not going to take the high road. I have a hard time with doing that. I am growing, I am learning, but I'm probably not going to be like every other YouTuber and just heart your negative comment and take the high road. Not going to do that. You're probably going to get the full force of me being a jerk off. And that's unfortunately, that's just me. You know, I'm pretty approachable. I'm very nice in the real world. So I apologize if I ever come off sideways to anyone or feel like I've alienated you. I apologize 100%, but you have to understand there's a lot of negativity. And yes, I am adding to it sometimes with the comments that I respond to, but it's totally warranted. And it feels really good sometimes when you just respond to that just terrible comment. But overall on this channel, I have a lot of positivity and I don't have to do that very often. But if you find yourself on the short end of that stick, I apologize. Don't take it personally. It's just you may have said something that just totally rubbed me the wrong way at that immediate moment. But there's that. I was also asked if I plan on attending the DJI event if they should happen to have one, and the answer is yes, undoubtedly yes. I did spend the money to fly up there for this round. I did not buy insurance on this trip, which is why I'm still going to Philadelphia. But all is not lost because it's still going to be an awesome trip. I'm going to be doing like a travel vlog with Billy. Hopefully the Inspire 2 will be there when I'm up there. We want to do some flights with that. We do have some other things planned that we're going to accomplish when I'm up there. So it's not a lost cause. I just hoped for this event to have happened by then, but it didn't. So no big deal. When the event gets announced again, I will definitely go and I will be putting insurance, travel insurance on that trip 100%. I've never had that happen before where something like this came up, but I'll go ahead and put travel insurance on the next trip for sure. And then in the last piece of news, I've been really needing to update my laptop. I've been using the MacBook Pro 2016 13-inch, and it's the base model, which is the i5 dual core, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gig hard drive. And it's been a little workhorse for the past year, and I've actually used that for the vast majority of videos you see on this channel. I've used the MacBook Pro. And for the vast majority of the videos you've seen on the channel, I did edit in Final Cut Pro, but I made the move about a month and a half ago in the commitment to switch to Premiere Pro. And honestly, I don't regret it. I really like the utilities and tools within Premiere Pro, so I'm not really regretting that. However, Premiere Pro and Mac don't play nice. At least obviously my specs don't add up well. So my render times are crazy when I'm traveling, and I travel 2 to 3 times a month. So it's imperative I have a machine that can keep up with my travel. So I'm trying to get a new device. So I'm going to sell my MacBook, but let me know what you guys think would make the perfect travel edited machine. Right now, I'm wanting to stay away from Mac. I don't see the value in spending $2,000+ for specs that you can get anywhere else. And if I'm using Premiere, I really don't need Mac OS at this point. I really don't. And I'm trying to free myself from the Apple restraints the best I can. So I'm really leaning heavily towards the Dell XPS 15 with the 6-core processor and 16 gigs of RAM. But Lenovo has some interesting machines out there, and there are some other brands out there, but I'm trying to stay sub $2,000 if I possibly can. But let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions or a laptop that I'm maybe overlooking, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to know. Also, I'm going to be partnering with a new editing software, and forgive me, I don't know the name of it officially. Actually, let me look at the name of this software. Okay, so the software name is VSDC, and basically it's a free editor. They do have a pro license, and supposedly a lot of drone pilots, FPV pilots are using this. Quadcopter 101 uses this software to edit. And basically they're saying that due to the hardware acceleration, it exports 4K pretty fast. So I'm going to take a look at this because I always get asked from time to time, well, what video editing software do you use? And not everybody can afford Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro. And supposedly this works with machines with lesser specs than what's really required to run a lot of these larger editing softwares. So look out for some of those videos coming in the near future. I'm pretty excited about this one. This should be fun. Anyways, that's it. I didn't want to make this really long update video, but I felt like there was a lot of information that I wanted to get out to people. So yeah, there you go. Anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button. If you didn't, that other button tends to work fine as well. As always, guys, stay original. I'll see you in the next one.